Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado. According to the owner's manual, you should do this at 36,000 miles, then 72,000, then 108, and on from there. So to replace the filter, you come in through the passenger side door, and it is actually behind the glove box. Now, on a lot of vehicles and even certain random trims of this truck, you can just squeeze together the sides of the glove box and lower it down and get access to where the cabin air filter is. But on most of the models from 2015 to 2022, you cannot do that. And if you squeeze together the sides of the glove box too hard, you can damage it and warp it. I know from personal experience. So if you want to try to do it that way first, squeezing in on the sides of the glove box, you can, but I'm going to show you the safe way to do it. It's only 2 quick steps and it doesn't take much longer. So the first step is to remove this dampener, which is basically a string that is on a reel, and what that does is it keeps your door from slamming open. It allows it to open softly. So let me show you how to take that off. So to remove this is very simple. You can see it just has kind of like a round plastic button here, and it's in the smaller circle. You just have to move that down to the larger circle. I'm just going to hold the back of it and then just kind of push that down, and it pops out super easy, and just let that reel up. So then we're going to close the glove box back up. So step 2 is you just have to remove these 2 plastic pins that are basically hinges that hold the drawer in place. So an easy way to do that is just use a flathead screwdriver and just kind of slide it behind the head of that pin and twist. There's one. So that first pin that we just took out was right here. Now we're going to take out the second pin, which is right here. So now we can just lower our glove box and take it out just like that. So this is your cabin air filter. First you just have to pop the cover off, kind of push in on these tabs, and remove it like that. Now one thing you'll notice on the filter here is that the arrow is pointing down. You want to make sure when you put in your new filter, you put it in that same way. So we're just going to take that out, and you can see that it was definitely time to replace that. Here's our new filter. I got this off Amazon. I'll put a link below the video if you want to check this one out. So if you have any debris in there, you want to clean that out, and then you're just going to slide in your new air filter. Again, remember, have that arrow pointing down for the airflow. Then we're going to put that door back on. Just like that. So we're going to put the glove box back in now. We're going to start with that dampener. We're going to pull that out and just press that into the bigger hole and slide it up into the smaller hole. Then you can close the glove box and it should latch in place. Now all you have to do is take these 2 pins and put them back in. There's one. And there's 2. That's it. That's the easiest and safest way to replace your cabin air filter. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.